Welcome to America Finance. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 stock investment strategies for 2025 that can help you maximize your returns while minimizing risks. The stock market is ever-changing, but with the right strategies, you can stay ahead of the curve. If you want to see your investments thrive in 2025, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on life-changing financial tips. Now, let's jump right into it. 1. Start with the diversified portfolio. Diversification is the golden rule of investing. In 2025, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest across sectors like technology, healthcare, renewable energy, and even emerging industries like AI and robotics. This reduces risk and ensures that if one sector underperforms, others can balance it out. 2. Focus on growth stocks in emerging sectors. Growth stocks in areas like artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and green energy are set to dominate in 2025. Companies innovating in these sectors are expected to grow exponentially. Keep an eye on companies with strong fundamentals and visionary leadership. 3. Embrace dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are perfect for steady income, even during market downturns. Look for companies with a consistent dividend payout history. In 2025, industries like utilities and consumer staples are likely to remain strong dividend players. 4. Utilize dollar-cost averaging DCA. Timing the market is tough, but dollar-cost averaging can save the day. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you spread out your purchases and reduce the impact of market volatility. This method works wonders for long-term investors. 5. Leverage ETFs for simplicity and diversification. Exchange-traded funds ETFs are a great way to diversify with a single investment. In 2025, thematic ETFs focused on industries like technology, clean energy, and healthcare can offer great opportunities. Plus, they're cost-effective and easy to manage. 6. Research before you invest. Research is the backbone of successful investing. Study a company's financials, management, industry position, and future growth potential. In 2025, access to AI-driven tools can make analysis easier, so take full advantage of technology. 7. Keep an eye on global trends. Global events can shake the stock market, so stay informed. For instance, trade policies, climate change initiatives, and geopolitical developments will influence markets in 2025. Be proactive and adjust your strategy accordingly. Invest in blue-chip stocks. Blue-chip stocks are reliable giants like Apple, Microsoft, or Johnson & Johnson. These companies offer stability and are great for long-term wealth building. In 2025, they'll remain a cornerstone for any balanced portfolio. 9. Be patient and avoid emotional decisions. The market can be unpredictable, but patience is key. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term news. Successful investors think long-term and trust their strategy. 10. Keep revisiting and rebalancing your portfolio. 2025 will bring new opportunities and challenges. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Rebalance your investments to maintain your desired risk level and take advantage of new market trends. There you have it, 10 proven stock investment strategies for 2025. These tips are designed to help you navigate the markets with confidence and grow your wealth. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stick to these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to America Finance, and share it with friends and family. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try in 2025.